King crab salad with a different standard. Yeah. King crab salad. Me never try king crab. Me never try king crab salad. Oh, why am I get mixed up? Me never try king crab salad before that, but me don't want to try some bite. You see me?
It's rich.
What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Pew, 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 pew. Wagwan people, wagwan, you don't miss me? I miss you guys too. Take it away to a break, you know? You have to make the body recuperate. Big words. Big words. You see the thumbnail? We're back. Rimzee, split decision. Big up yourself. GG. Big up yourself. G. Split decision views are climb. It's been a couple of days, so you don't know. We're going to break down to see what it's about. What he's saying, and wagwan, split decision. This one sounds interesting. So without further delay, we don't waste no more time. We're going to jump straight tonight. And let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're breakdown. So we pause every 10 seconds. If it's not for you, exit, evacuate, leave, evaporate like a water. Evaporate. Big words. Let's go. Okay, split decision. Hopefully, well, I know Rimzee tracker always fire, so I think this was probably gonna be about life story or something like that. I don't know. Let's go.
Yo, what they gonna tell me? I was down, nobody would help me. Now the shop's in Fulham. I might be made in Chelsea.
When I was down, there was no one to help me. That is like everybody's struggle. When you're down, there's not anyone to help you. But as soon as you up, you help everybody. Drunk crow, why not do it? Why not can't give back a helping hand to people who help you out? Why? Jesus, let's go.
Done 6 in a can. Came home and the nigga still charted. My Dior jumper, that's a 1-bedroom apartment.
Bumbleclaw, balam. Done 6 that the can. 6 years that the can. 6 years that the prison cell. And in forward home and still charted, guys. Not many artists can do that. The boss do it. You see me? The man saying Dior jumper is a 1-bedroom apartment. Thousands. Not US dollar. Not Jamaican dollar. Pound sterling. Queen head. The queen head. Money. The man talk about money, yes sir. Let's go.
6 racks in a video, but they took it down for the sample. Nigga, fuck the sample. Remember I was waiting on 𝗔𝗔𝗔𝗓𝗔𝗞 with cardboard.
Which video that? So basically I saw him saying do a video and then take it down because it have a sample in it. You see me? So, wagwan, like, some of them copyright. Them always a copyright my video them to you, man. So, me understand your struggle, I'm a G. Let's go.
Fuck the others. Break bread with my brothers. 2 all millionaires. And we all live in the suburbs.
That's the thing now. I'm telling you, I'm a fan. I'm at the bumbleclaw. I want some water. One thing, what I always say, if me was to get rich, you see my day one, them run me, them have an income from my richness. In the meantime, I'm going to get up and keep giving them money, because after a while, my money is going to finish. So, we're going to create jobs for everybody. Get them income from it. You understand? And good benefit from the job. Not just them monthly pay and say, yo, that's it. No, there's benefits, there's perks. Oh, I'm a dog. And I'm a dog. You see me? So, we're there. We are work. So that is what he's saying right here. Let's go.
My friends, 2 more moves, that's an M. I signed a pen, I lost it all, got it back again. It was me.
Man say him sign up. Basically, him say him have it all, him lose it and him get it back again. Not many people can do that. That is hard work. Is it a bit of luck? I guess you can say that also, but it's hard work. Mainly hard work and dedication and believing in yourself. Let's go.
Induction, wing induction pack with an orange squash. You know that roof's panoramic. You know I can't drop that top. No.
Yo, the boss I tell you. Yo, Rimzee, big up yourself, my G. My G, the respect come off for your dog. Big up yourself, my fam. Let's go.
2 toys in a ride, G. East boy like Wiley. Machine lively on anything like Tiggs and Hailey.
So I say my East boy like Wiley. So I'm coming from East London. Big up the East London massive. Big up on yourself. Big up all UK massive them there. Big up yourself. You see me? Yeah.
Expensive attire. Had a ped with a tin advisor. Now it's accountants, surveyors, lawyers, mortgage advisors.
Me said this already in one of my reaction. The 360 where Rimzee making in life is so fantastic to see. A black person doing this. Forwarding from being in a trouble with the police, and the man found out the man buy a house and do it up. Because I'm following him on Instagram, so I see what I want. You see, make the man do up on my house. The man make the house become a home here now. That is an investment. That is an investment. So him not just buy deer jumper because it's expensive money. No, him buy horses too. You see me? Investment for the future. Let's go.
I'm in the big league. All I had to do was grind. Remember the half was 70 and I only had 65.
Hold on, I'm here the part again.
All I had to do was grind. Remember the half was 70 and I only had 65.
So remember when a half was 70. When a half was 70, but him only have 65. So you don't know him 5 bill short, you see me? Or 5k short. I don't know which version for K or business matter. Let's go.
Took a different route. Only nigga with budget and drought. Now my whips parked outside my 3-bedroom house.
See it? Me just telling about him house. Me just telling about him house. No bumper clock rent. No council. No rent. Mortgage. Yeah, with a big massive fat deposit. Or even probably buy cash too. Cause the man they probably can do it. You see it? Let's go.
They got the bag bought jewelry. Me and my franchise Morley's. Business owner. I'm have to vote for Tories.
You hear that? Business owner. I'm a business owner, guys. He's a business owner. That is what I was saying earlier on about giving your friends job. You see me? I'm have to vote for Tories. Me not understand what the line that is. Tories are like a party. Like you have Labour, you have Tories, I have in the UK, right? So Labour are Tory, our next political party, but why would you vote for them? Explain that to me, guys. Explain that. Next song? Okay. Monopoly. Yo, rappers. May I beg anyone out now, invite me to one on a video shoot. May I beg anyone out now. Anyone out that me react to the song, may I beg you to invite me to one on a video shoot. Including you, Rimzee. Invite me to one of your video shoot with G. Me serious. Serious as a judge, me not smile. Invite me. Okay. So this one. So split decision. This is like 2 music videos in one. So the first one, it might tell you him achievement found from this one. Look like this look like a prison cell to me. Prison, yeah.
Yo, remember me and Frog laughing in that court.
Okay. So this is a totally different song. Split decision, totally different song. Remember me and Frog laughing at the court. Alright.
I want no joke when them screws slam them doors in a sweatbox, thinking it'd be a while until I'm home.
It's not a joke. When you're in a court and you think it's gimmicks and and laughter. When the judge say, yo, me I give you 35 to life, motherfucker, you better piss up yourself. You can imagine I get the pum pum for 1 month, let alone 10 years? No, sir. Couldn't do it.
Reds 3-2 on the radio, don't go. All these unfamiliar faces. Niggas wanna know the latest. Where you from and what your name is.
When they got prison, best thing you do, don't tell no lie. Don't tell no lie. Rule number 1, don't tell no lie in a prison. If you're there in prison for certain crime, tell the truth, dog. Tell the truth and make the man them deal with it. If you go tell lie and them find out, you're gonna get broke up. Some screw I go say, some prison guard I go say, listen, this is why he's here, so don't make him telling a lie. Better you tell the truth. You see me? You're gonna get a bomber wall, bro.
My neck bag, plastic bowl, knife on my fork. About to make a call, watch what I say, cause it records. Big bro told me F the roads, but I was stubborn.
Being that young, you're always gonna be stubborn, dog. You're always gonna be stubborn, you see me? Yeah, because the bigger is them know what I want.
Be thinking I'm getting ghosted or they coming. Screw searching mommy on a visit, this ain't life.
Schools, I search up your mother bag. Schools, I search up your mother ear and I search up your mother. But boy, look at my mother. Hey, make a woman search her. What you do? Furthermore, me know my mother go through them life there. My mother enough for that. I come visit me in a prison, dog. You mad?
I see mommy cry, and shit, I nearly cried. They got email at prison, now my chick can reach me more. But I prefer when you write it, cause I can feel it more.
Straight. That help a lot of prisoners get through them time as well when they can't have something to read. You understand?
When I put the family on so I can spoil them, all I brought is disappointment. Sleeping in the same room, I use the toilet.
So him cares so much about him family. Basically him fuck up so him doing him life. All him I think about him family, the disappointment to him cause for him family name. That's how I think about. So obviously him found out of prison and
like no film, slept on that bunk bed with no quilt. 1 year, 6 years, came by and flew. Memory got bad, forgot some niggas that I knew.
I can see why you would have forget some niggas where you knew, because them not putting the money upon the books. They must say, yo, free my nigga Rimzee. Pussy one, wanna put some money upon my book and support me. That will help me free me. What I do? Free my, when I type on social media, free my nigga Rimzee and a music video, free my no pussy all, put money upon my books. Cause if only they in my position, I wanna do the same bumbuckler thing. Put money on the dog them books. That will help them, brother. You can't, you're my fan, bro. Me have a back. Pussy not have my back, have my bank account. Put some money in my account, brother. That will help me. Easier life in a prison. You understand? So, that I go help me forget somehow no. Cause I'm not toxic. Uno toxic. Moving a bomb. Uno toxic. I go forget somehow no. Moving a bomb clot. Not real. Made in China Gucci. Moving a blood clot. Made in China Gucci.
And jail fucked up my confidence. Sandwiches for lunch and slot for dinner. On the yard conversating whose block is realer. You know the man that eats in a prison all because when you don't put the money upon the man box, sandwiches for lunch and slot for dinner. If you only put some money upon the man, but the man could have got a canteen or get some food. Some real snacks. The man could have done a little hustling if he make a little extra money too. Everyone in for violence. I met some brothers that's pious, but until I found the law act, I had no guidance. I done countless and endless work.
I never have no guidance with you because the video that when me see you Rimzee and knock it over the police boy them lock him! Suck the mother, back him! Back up! That video there brother when me see that. Yo! The man sits upon the bicycle. After that me I say, yo! Them you talk about that life. So, him not just sing it, the man's been it, bro. The man's been in it, bro.
My life to the block and I got nothing in return. Now it's king crab salad, we on different standards.
Elevate your life. Him out of the cell now. King crab. Bumbo clock. What you say, Rimzee?
In return, now it's
what you say?
King crab salad, we on different standards.
King crab salad with up on different standard. Yeah. King crab salad. Me never try king crab. Me never try king crab salad. Oh, why am I get mixed up? Me never try king crab salad before no dog, but me don't want to try some you see me? Why don't you invite me on the music video? Rimzee, invite me to the music video, dog.
Now the waitress call me sir and call the babe madam. I still remember nights I made it rain in Clapton. Would I be here if my knee never chased the dragon?
So basically, I tell you say, yo, some places where I'm go. Well, I'm going to part again, but I tell you say some places where I'm going now, them call me sir and call the babe madam, cause there's some top-notch place we in and a little whiff-raff. The quab place we in some top place. Show respect, cause we have spent my bumbuckler dirty money. Let's go.
Nights I made it rain in Clapton. Would I be here if my knee never chased the dragon?
A real time I tell you, it make it rain for truth. A real thing.
Now I do it cause I can, always knew I'd be the man. I went from putting shells in my Glock. Now we spill champagne, this hotel's on the yacht.
Where if I'm putting shells in my Glock, now we're spilling champagne hotel. Yo! Look on the turnaround, bro. So if him do it, you can do it too. If the dog do it, you can do it too. You can do it too. Up your son. It's all up there, dog. You can do it.
I star before raves. I used to re-up on the 8s. I just overtook the bus I used to chase.
I just re-up on the 8s. I used to over right now basically right now I say, me I overtake the bus them when me used to take. So I drive around the bus them now.
The mail drive around the bus them. When the bus them stop me just go around them and go on business. I overtake them. I gone.
In a sweatbox, I know police was grinning. Now the feds stop the car just to see who's in it.
I saw the police them go on, man. They will stop your car just to see who in it. So them bumper class there. See there? Split decision. This is what this track is about. Split decision. See there? For one hand, he might live good, he might have fun. For next hand, when him there? Prison. So, he might show you what go on the growth. Yo, I'm proud of Rimzee. Fuck, no joke. I'm proud of Rimzee, dog. I'm proud of Rimzee, bro. I'm proud of Rimzee. Nothing nicer than see an artist or a person where they in a trouble before, where the law turn them life around, and up on the other side, and I'm making money legally, legitimately. I love that. Rimzee, that tracker, now I see why the views are climbing, dog. Rimzee, you are a goat, bro. You are here to stay, bro. And hear me I say, dog. This is the third time I say it's artists. If you not watch, you can invite me to some of the video too. You see me? See all of my socials them the up here so. Just link me on Instagram and say, yo, video shoot. Postcode, there so, that time there. Forward, dog. I will be there. I will be there. I will be there. I will do. By the water. I will be there. Guys, this is what I'm going to end the video. If you like the video, please like the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you're new around here. And big up on the stuff and I'll see you when I see you. Rimzee, big up on celebrity. Oh.